Long three, no good, but there's a whistle. No ball foul, jersey number 12 from SGK Sanchez. And Galapin from Team Sunday. Sub. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 14. Ace Torninos. Tori Badonia. Bars for 3. Galapin for the rebound. Galapin to Pontanilla. Pontanilla. Dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 10 seconds for the remaining time to Sevilla. Sevilla. Extra pass to De Los Santos to Arnaiz. Connect for 2 points by Arnaiz. One minute and 55 seconds. It's Torninos. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15. Sanchez back to Torninos. To Guevara. Galapin for the rebound. To De Los Santos. De Los Santos. To Sevilla. Sevilla. Kick out to Pontanilla. Shot clock 15. To De Los Santos. 10 to shoot. Fars. Torninos for the rebound. Torninos to Rivadonia. Rivadonia. Intercept by Sevilla. Sevilla to Pontanilla. Pontanilla dribbling the ball. Guarded by Torninos. Pontanilla. Baron for the rebound. Baron dribbling the ball. To Guevara. Extra pass to Torninos. But there's a whistle. And timeout! SGK. And remaining time 1 minute and 2 seconds for the second quarter game. And the scores of 53-35 in favor of SGK. Back to the court. Baron for the inbound. Baron to Guevara. Pontanilla for the rebound. Pontanilla dribbling the ball. 55 seconds to Sevilla. Too strong. Sanchez for the rebound. 50. Intercept by Pontanilla. Pontanilla to Galapin. .9 seconds remaining time. 41.9 seconds. .9 seconds. 41.9 seconds remaining time. And shot clock 15. De Los Santos to Sevilla. Bars. Rivadonia for the rebound. Rivadonia. 35 seconds. Rivadonia dribbling the ball. Drive, lays up. Short. 30 seconds. Arnaiz for the rebound, but there's a whistle. Jersey number 12, Sanchez. Second personal foul. 27.6 seconds. 27.6 seconds. Pontanilla. 25 to Sevilla. 20. Shot clock 15. 15. 10 to shoot. Rivadonia for the rebound. 10. Baron. Connect for 2 points by Baron. 5, 3,